On Thursday afternoon, almost 100 people passed through the doors of KF Aerospace as they hosted an open house-style career fair.
We need a lot of people. We're looking to hire about 100 over the next 6 months. We're looking for paint preppers, aircraft services technicians, aircraft maintenance engineers, and support positions. And a lot of them you need an education, but there's also a lot where we will train you on the job. So we're really looking for people with great attitude that want to work around aircraft. The industry is growing so much that there is a shortage of aircraft maintenance engineers, so we can't find them in Kelowna. We're looking nationally and internationally to be able to meet the demand of the business. We're also working with Okanagan College today because we're also looking for apprentices and they have to go through school first, but not everyone can afford to not work for a year and to pay for school. So we hire both, but we give the opportunity to people that can't afford that to still have a real career. You start in an entry-level position with us, but as you grow, you're going to earn more money, you're going to get your certification, and you're going to be in a very meaningful career.
So did you like airplanes before you decided about this as a career, or did you just like mechanical things?
To tell you the truth, I responded to an ad in the newspaper in Calgary, and my mom said I should try this out. So that was back when I was, 18 years old, 42 now, so it's been a lot of years, but that's actually why I got into it.
My dad's been in the industry for a long time, and he's been in the helicopter industry, so seeing everything that he does, it's quite interesting, and I've always been interested in the stuff that he does.
It's a very dynamic career, especially at Kelowna Flightcraft. There's a lot of training that goes on, recurrent training, a lot of cool aircrafts that are coming through the door, and you get to be part of a large company that is doing really cool things to these aircrafts, big mods to them.
Organizers say another career fair will likely take place. From KF Aerospace in Kelowna, I'm Tammy Williams for Kelowna Now.